Hey guys, it's Let's Do It Guy here, and today I'm going to explain the topic. I'm not really going to explain, but I'm going to touch on a few aspects of the topic. Inequalities. So guys, this topic was not really hard for me, but I couldn't represent my answers in interval form, in interval notation, in inequality form since from grade 11 to grade 12. And I definitely know there are some people who also struggle with this topic, not really topic, but who struggle to represent their answers in interval notation. So for example, let's take this type of quadratic equation, because mostly in grade 11 and 12 we're dealing with quadratic equations. So it's going to be something like this: x squared minus 2x minus 3 is greater than 0. So what we're going to start with, we're going to factorize this thing. Then we grab our critical values. X is going to be -1 or x is going to be 3. So from here, I remember they taught us to do it like this. When the equation is greater than 0, it's like this. When the equation is less than 0, it's like this. So this is greater than 0, less than 0, greater than 0, less than 0. This eliminates the time you spend drawing that quadratic graph. That method, it takes time. So you're going to represent it like this. It's greater than, so it's going to be what? X greater than -1 or x greater than 3. So let's say it was less than, not greater than. So if it was like that, we're going to wipe this thing. Everything else remains the same. Then if it was less than 0 now, that means it's like this, right? It's like this, that side. So it's going to be -1. -1 is less than x, and x is less than 3, meaning it's in the middle. So yeah guys, so don't forget greater than, less than, greater than, less than. Thank you.